Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Halo CANBUS Immobiliser on this really lovely 2018 Mercedes GLE diesel. How the system works is, as soon as you turn off the ignition and open and close the door, you'll actually see the headlight, should I say the side light flash to tell you the system is arming. So if I open the door, 2 flashes, that means the system is armed. So every time someone jumps in the vehicle, now if I jump in the vehicle and try and start it, you'll see that the vehicle won't start. Let's just open the door, close the door, jump in, foot on the brake, try and start it. See, the vehicle won't start. Okay, vehicle won't start. So now every time the customer jumps in, main ignition on, insert a basic push sequence on. Here we've done something very basic, but you can alternate around these buttons, but doing very basic. So when I press this, on the last press you're going to see the side light flash to say the code is correct and it's disarmed. So if you watch carefully, so 1, 2, 3, 4, there you go, it's flashed. Foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. When the customer wants to take it for a service and he wants to place it in valet mode, this is also very straightforward. And the way you do that is main ignition on, insert the cobra on the last press, you hold it, wait for 15 seconds, you'll get 5 flashes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, keep on waiting. For about 15 seconds, you'll see 5 flashes. There you go. If I turn off the start button now, open and close the door, and it will start straight away. No code required, okay? When you get the vehicle back, just exactly the same, but this time, obviously hold it again and you'll get 1 flash after 15 seconds, so it's come out. So main ignition on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hold for about 15 seconds. And then you'll see it'll give us a flash again to tell you it's coming out of valet mode. So there you go, it's now at valet mode. So if I turn it off, turn it on, the vehicle will start, which is fine. Turn it off, leave the vehicle. 1, 2 flashes, should I say. System is now armed. If I put my foot on the brake, try and start it, vehicle won't start, okay? So one more time, so main ignition on, so start button on. Insert your code, watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 flash, vehicle starts. Really simple, really straightforward. Also, if you want to change the code, this is also very straightforward. If I don't open the door now, obviously it's not going to arm. So now, start button on. Accelerator pedal down 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 flash, 2 flashes, should I say. Insert the code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ignition off within 5 seconds. System is now learnt. So let's just try the new code. Obviously open and close the door. Ignition on. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, start the vehicle. Turn off the ignition. Open door. System arms. As I said, this is a new Halo CANBUS Immobiliser. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. If you'd like to give me a call, direct number to me is 02890 60478. 02890 60478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.